In 1993, my father passed and signed into law government restructuring. He never intended on that being a one-time fix-all solution. It was supposed to be a work in progress to improve our government. In 2006, when I ran for lieutenant governor, I advocated for further government restructuring by having the governor and lieutenant governor run together on a ticket. After that campaign, I continued to push for that, and I was very pleased to see that finally come to fruition. But there's so much more that we have left to do. Just recently, Governor Haley signed into law the most significant piece of government restructuring since 1993. It should not have taken us 21 years to get to this point, and us as citizens should not accept that. And I can assure you, if I'm elected as your lieutenant governor, Governor Haley will have a partner, and we will continue our work together so that we don't have to wait another 21 years for government restructuring.